Hello, welcome back. We have two questions we are going to do together. The first question says x cubic plus x cubic is equal to 54. Solution: we know x cubic plus x cubic, we are going to get two of them, that is x cubic, which is equal to 54. We can divide by 2 both sides, by 2 1, by 2 1, by 2 1, by 2, we get 27. X cubic, this is equal to 27. We can put 27 into power form, that is x cubic, this is equal to 3 power 3. But we know that if we have the same power, the base, they are equal. So the value of x is equal to 3. Now let us do question number 2. They say if 5t is equal to 35, what is the value of 10t minus 6? They gave us 5t, this is equal to 35, and they need 10t minus 6, this is equal to what? So first let us find the value of t. We can divide by 5 both sides, by 5 1, by 5 1, by 5 1, by 5, we get 7. So the value of t is equal to 7. Let us substitute t equal to 7 to this expression here. So 10t minus 6, that is 10 multiplied by t, which is 7, minus 6, we get 70 minus 6. The answer is equal to 64. So the value of 10t minus 6 is equal to 64. I hope you understand these two questions. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.